Good morning. This is Don again from the Reasonable Realtor.com. TheReasonableRealtor.com. A couple of things I wanted to tell you about, announcements, I guess you would say. We have just been through a week of snow and being snowed in. At the same time, we are in the middle of a kitchen remodel, so we don't have a stove if we had food. Um, the refrigerator is sitting out where the dining room table used to be. It's kind of a mess, but we're living with it. And all things give thanks. The Reasonable Realtor, also, my announcement is that we have melted a server or overpowered a server in some way. Maybe we just tricked the server. I don't know, but we don't have the use of the server right now this morning. So we are scratching our collective heads about that. Working with HostGator, where we have the hosting done for the Reasonable Realtor and several of our other websites. So I do want to invite you to please, at this point, we still have our website, mlsdon.com, mlsdon.com. I'm Don. And people, when they need to sell their house, they need to put it in the MLS. So mlsdon.com is still functioning if you need to sell your house, if you desire to sell your house. A couple of our other websites are not functioning. I apologize for any inconvenience. We'll have that corrected as quickly as we can. But for now, I just want to invite you to please go to mlsdon.com. No dashes, no periods in there except for before com, as usual. I will be coming to you more frequently with these announcements, I promise. Power's back on, the snow is melting, things are looking a whole lot better, and I appreciate your patience. Please, if you will, go and subscribe to this particular YouTube website by punching that little red square. That would be great. Leave me a comment. That would also be great. I appreciate it very much, and we will see you next time.